Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Jeffree Star, the makeup mogul, YouTube personality, and founder of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. With his bold style, unapologetic personality, and public relationships, many fans ask, is Jeffree Star gay? Let's find out. Born Jeffrey Lynn Steininger Jr. on the 15th of November 1985, Jeffree Star rose to fame on MySpace before becoming a major force in the beauty industry. He launched Jeffree Star Cosmetics in 2014, which quickly became a multi-million-dollar brand. Beyond makeup, Jeffree is known for his music, collaborations, and influence in pop culture. Jeffree Star is openly gay and has consistently identified as such throughout his career. He has publicly spoken about dating men and being attracted to the male gender. In the past, Jeffree has also shared that he's gender fluid but prefers he, him pronouns. He embraces fluidity in both his gender expression and fashion, often breaking down traditional masculine and feminine boundaries. As of now, Jeffree continues to expand his cosmetics empire while living on a ranch in Wyoming. Though he stepped back from frequent YouTube videos, he remains active in the beauty world, launching new products and staying in the public eye through social media and business endeavors. His romantic life is private, but he's been open about his past relationships with men. So, to answer the question, yes, Jeffree Star is gay. He's been an unapologetic voice in the LGBTQ+ community, using his platform to express himself freely and challenge beauty standards. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of your favorite public figures and where they are now.